Friends, welcome in our own teacher channel. Class 9th English 1.2 The fun they had. The fun they had. त्यांनी मजेत घालवलेला वेळ. मार्जी आणि टॉमी ही अत्याधुनिक युगातली म्हणजे कम्प्युटरच्या युगातली दोघे. त्यांना केवळ त्यांच्या आजोबांकडून कळाले होते की एकेकाळी कथा ह्या कागदावर छापल्या जायच्या, पुस्तके असायची. त्यांनी खूप पुस्तके वाचली, पण ती तेवढी पुस्तके. एकदा टॉमीला एक पुस्तक सापडले आणि पुस्तक बघून ते दोघेही आश्चर्यचकित झाले आणि कागदाचा नुसता फुकट उपयोग असे त्यांना वाटले. त्यानंतर त्या पुस्तकामध्ये शाळेविषयी माहिती होती, पण मार्जीला शाळेबद्दल अतिशय तिरस्कार होता, कारण त्यांना शिकवण्यासाठी मेकॅनिकल टीचर होता आणि तो विद्यार्थ्यांच्या आवडीनुसार किंवा त्यांच्या कुवतीनुसार शिकविणारा नव्हता. त्यामुळे तिला त्याच्याबद्दल तिरस्कार होता. शाळा, मेकॅनिकल टीचर हे तिला आवडत नव्हते. पण त्या पुस्तकातली जे शिक्षक होते ते बऱ्याच वर्षांपूर्वीचे माणूस हा शिक्षक होता. त्यावेळी तिला आश्चर्य वाटले की पूर्वी शिक्षक माणसे असायची. हा फरक त्यांना जाणवू लागला होता. पण आता मात्र त्यांना शिकविण्यासाठी मेकॅनिकल टीचर होते. याबद्दलच हा पाठ आहे. वर्कशॉपला सुरुवात करण्यापूर्वी if you are not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe to get notification of new video and don't forget to comment. Your comment is my inspiration. Question 1. Use the proper punctuation mark. A. Where did you find it? Inverted comma and last question mark. What's it about? Inverted comma and last question mark. C. They had a teacher. Inverted comma. D. How could a man be a teacher? Inverted comma and last question mark. Sure, if they were the same age in inverted comma and full stop. Question 2. The following sentences have an unusual meaning in the context of the story. Write what these sentences would mean today and what they mean in the context of the story. A. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. Meaning today. She had been hoping they would officially dismiss the teacher from her job forever. Meaning in the context. She had been hoping they would remove the teacher from the screen permanently. B. They had taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month. Meaning today. They had suspended Tommy's teacher for nearly 1 month. Meaning in the context. They had stopped screening Tommy's teacher for nearly a month. C. It wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. Meaning today. It wasn't teacher who regularly did the teaching work in school. It was some person who taught the student. Meaning in the context. It was the mechanical teacher who gave lessons to students on screen regularly. D. How could a man be a teacher? Meaning today. This question is meaningless. Meaning in the context, they had the mechanical teacher and they didn't accept a man in place of the mechanical teacher. E. A teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches. Meaning today, the teacher has to deal with the students according to the need of the whole class. Meaning in the context, the mechanical teacher has to be repaired and made suitable according to the need of students. Question 3. Write words related to the following words. Related with book, information, entertainment, poem, lesson, author. Cover, pages, bookseller, bookstall, and reading. Related words about school, teacher, student, headmaster, classroom, playground, library, books, study, blackboard, trees, prayer, assembly. Related to family, small, joint, home, mother, father, affection, bond, protection, love, pride, son, daughter. Question 4. Discuss how would you like to learn from a human teacher or a mechanical teacher. Present your arguments in the form of a chart. Human teacher advantage. Human teachers make learning fun and they can be caring and understanding. The human teacher can teach the students in the best way. They know what the student wants. Human teacher disadvantage. Low level of knowledge, selfishness, and complacency. Mechanical teacher advantage. The mechanical teacher can teach more than human teachers can in about the book. They have better memory than human teacher. They can memorize anything. Mechanical teacher disadvantage. Mechanical teachers have not feeling and therefore they do not understand the feeling of students. They have just one way to teach. Question 5. Rewrite the following using complete words instead of contracted forms. A. When you are through. B. And it is good for plenty more. C. I would not throw it away. D. She had not seen as many telebooks. E. What is it about? F. I have slowed it up. G. I do not know. H. It was not a regular teacher. Question 6. Underline the verbs and choose the correct option from the bracket. 1. Margie even wrote about it. The verb is wrote and past tense. Number 2. Today, Tommy found a new book. Here, the verb is found and past tense. Number 3. My father knows as much as my teacher. The verb is knows and present tense. 1. Margie was scornful. Verb is was and singular form. 2. This is the old kind of school. The verb is and singular form. 3. And the teachers were people. Were is verb and plural. Question 7. Activity. Read the following conversation between two cousins. Hi Santosh, what are you thinking about?
Hi Teju, next week's Didi's birthday. We want to give her a surprise gift.
Great idea. What is your surprise gift?
Well, we don't have any big shop here. There are little to choose from. Nothing new or surprising.
So why don't you try online shopping?
Is it safe?
Yes, it is. If we take proper care, it is one of the most convenient ways of shopping. Plus, you will get so much variety.
True, but I don't know how to do it.
It's okay. I will show you. Do you have an internet connection?
Yes,
That's good then. We can do it in 5 easy steps. Let's start. Sign up and credit your account. Browse and select the product of your choice from the given categories. Add your product to the cart. Pay the total amount via online banking, debit card, or pay cash on delivery. Check your product when it is delivered to you. Look at mentioned web page and answer. The name of website www.chalashikuya.com. What we can buy here? We can buy books, educational toys, stationery, e-learning. The offer on poster color, a paintbrush free. Suppose one of your parents or an older relative wants to know about online shopping and you are explaining how to do it. Write a conversation between you and your parent or relative about it.
Rima, I need to buy a watch. I wish to try online shopping, but I don't know the process.
Don't worry, Dad. I am there to help you. Let's sign up first.
I think it is complicated.
Not at all. Now go on the search bar and type whichever watch you need.
I don't have any particular watch in mind.
Well, then we will click here on the watch option and select watch.
This is nice and in my budget.
Then add them to the cart. Now we have ordered the watch. They will deliver the product within 10 days.
Very good. It's very simple, isn't it?
Sure it is. Now, do you want to pay via net banking, credit card or cash on delivery?
I prefer cash on delivery.
Okay, we are done here. We can even track our order to find where your watch have reached.
That's very impressive. Thank you, dear daughter.
It's my pleasure. Form pairs discuss the advantages and disadvantages of online shopping and fill the following table. Advantages of online shopping. Online shopping saves our time. Online shopping gives concession on products. There are various filters to find our pick. We can do quick payment via net banking, credit card, and it is wide concessional. Disadvantages of online shopping. It takes time for delivery. Online shopping required internet connection. We can't know about quality and condition of product uncertain. Delivery and shipping charges are expensive. Write a paragraph on online shopping using the points in the above table. Online shopping. Online shopping saves our time, but it takes time to delivery. Online shopping is wide concessional, but it required internet connection. If we have not internet connection, then we can't do online shopping. There are so many offers on online shopping, so we get concession on product. There are too much variety of product, but we can't say quality and condition of product. We can do quick payment via net banking, credit card, or cash on delivery. Delivery and shipping charges of products are expensive. Thanks for watching this video.